Welcome back. So in this video, let's go ahead and make the label this fresh Blender opening up. So let me quickly go to the plus down here and video editing and video editing sequence right there. All right, so I don't need this one. Maybe I want, so let me quickly go to the resource folder. Yeah, I have some resources right here. So let me show you what I have. I went to the GPT and made some Ghibli style strawberries from my renderings. So here, this is to extra, and this is the hero. The scale was a little bit off, but I didn't want to fight with GPT, and I actually ended up changing that or matching that inside Photoshop. So now I have this one as a layer 1, and the other one right here, and the hero right here. All right. I have the Blender logo right there as PNG. Nutrition facts right here. And this is for the background of the label, two sides, right and left, and some text to write to the, let's say, right side of the label. All right. And I went to Google Lab, and with the VO2, I made a video right here from this image. This is actually the image I uploaded to the AI to make this one for me. So making the video was rather easy. So I just entered this text as a request to ChatGPT, and it gave me this prompt, kind of detailed prompt. I'm not an engineer, prompt engineer or something. And I went to Google Gemini. Yeah, Google Gemini with VO2. It's not loading the video right now. First try, it wasn't the thing I wanted. It wasn't successful. Then I added this image and entered the same prompt, and this was the result. So I download this from Google Gemini right here. After removing the background inside DaVinci, and now I have this sequence of images. So I'm going to start, and maybe from somewhere around here, bring this to the frame inside sequencer, fill the frame with it, and bring it back down and reveal two strawberries. Also, the hero goes from the first frame, I believe, and some text. And yeah, that's the idea. So let me show you. So I'm gonna lift this two parts. Don't mess with it, because my labels actually would be 7 centimeter by 15 centimeter. Our hero strawberry would be at the center, all right? And the fluid I just showed you, it's going to the frame, goes up, and behind that, two other strawberries, and fluid goes down about maybe here, and neutral facts, Blender logo, and some text. Also, I have, let me show you. I have this one made inside DaVinci. So it's actually some word strawberry. So it's a sequence. So it's gonna write on this screen, and I'm gonna put them right here. So strawberry milkshake, I believe. And export all of these to a video and use this as a transition between two scenes. So let's go ahead and make it. Enough talking. Let's see. We delete this annotation. All right. The first level would be the hero strawberry. So now the first level obviously is a color, not sequencer. Not sequence, a color. So let's move that down below everything. All right. And I believe last time I tested, I need 0.83 or something as a safe frame for these two top and bottom edges. So let me go ahead and make this. And you see that right here, it's affecting right there. So let me make this background the white background to be able to see that. So 0.83, I believe. So this is the work area for us. But I need to put two colors, two solid color right about here, the color of the background. And after the label made, these two slides up and down and we fade to the other scene, the wrapped around scene. So label's going to be wrapped around the bottle and a camera goes down. That we get to there. All right. Let's go ahead and add another color. All right. And let's move it down. So in the property strip, let's go transform and maybe even scale it down to the Y. And let's go down right there. So 0.9. What did I do? Oh, 0.09. Is this right? Maybe 92. Yeah. All right. So let's go ahead and maybe let's see, view time code right here. So we are in 30 centimeter. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be. I'm gonna decide later. So let's not do any animation for this one. So let's go ahead and Shift D, make a duplication, and down here mirror Y. It goes up. This one goes down. So now we have these two bars at the top and bottom. So back to this label right here, and let's make it black. And let's go lock these three backgrounds. All right, now our hero strawberry. So remember, we're gonna render the hero strawberry, right? Going up. We learned that in the particle system and also fluid simulation before. So it goes up, and I'm gonna use a image. Let me find it. I have a single shot right here. Actually, I made the Ghibli style from this one. So this is almost the right size. So that's good. So let's go delete this button then. And this is our freeze shot from the previous scene. All right, let's build everything around this. First of all, need to extend a lot. So this is it. After this, let's go and bring the milkshake animation. This is 4K. I'm not gonna be able to attach this to the project file, but I'm gonna attach the 1020 the full HD size. So let's go and maybe start from right here to the end. So shift select and grab it right here. All right. So it's going to frame and goes right here. And we get to this right here. All right. Now we need to go down. So before that though, these two bars need to be at the top. So let's go move them to the top, right there. And this goes down. All right. When we get to this area right here, let's push this milkshake wave down. So go to the position Y, transform, insert a single key while this one is selected, and let's go down maybe all the way to maybe here, and add a single keyframe. So it goes right there and it goes down. So our hero need to be on top. All right. Behind this, let's do these two layers. So behind our hero Strawberry and the milkshake. So when we get to this, we find the keyframe here. So let's drag it down to maybe this size. And here, and a little bit of rotation right there. Also, I have a drop shadow on this hero Strawberry, as you can see, a little bit of drop shadow. All right. So 23 degree, and 122 for the scale. Let's do the other one. So 122 and minus, what was that? 23. Right, so let's extend this to right there. And also the milkshake, it's gonna freeze frame and extend. So far we have this. It goes right there. And when it goes down, reveals these two strawberries. So we can see them behind that, maybe. So let's go ahead and add fade in then. So fade in, right click and fade in. So right about here. Right, so the hero, let's go ahead and add a modifier of brightness and contrast. Let's brighten up that a bit and add a little bit of contrast too. Yeah, that's nice. So far we have this, and it's going down about here. Let's do maybe this nutrition fact also here, and it goes to left side and scale down maybe right there. So let me go ahead and the top one, this stripe, maybe bold. Let's change the color for now to be able to see and arrange this. We're going down right there. Right, not bad. Below this, I have this design for the background. Let's move this from the left and right side into the both sides. So first of all, let me change the size to somewhere around here. Goes maybe a little bit smaller. And like this. Goes out of frame right here. And insert keyframe. Let's go maybe this much. And enters to the frame right here. And keyframe. So goes right there. And let's go fade in for the nutrition fact as well. So duplicate this. And let's go mirror X. Now we have this two going from both sides. Maybe it's a little bit too big. And let's find the key here. Let's go maybe over there and replace this key. Shift D and duplicate. Mirror X. Nice. Next, at the same time, let's do the logo, Blender logo. Scale down, maybe around here. And goes in the middle, right there. Fades in. And I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. Copy some of these names. And now let's go add text. Where is it? Down here. So it says fresh strawberry milkshake. And let's do a font. I don't know, maybe something like this. And transform. Let's go maybe over here. Size going down. Goes up. Right, and the other one, so Shift D, let's make it 2. The other one goes Y down, right about, where is it? Here. Let's go here, and that's a warning. So I'm gonna copy the name or copy the text. It says shake and keep it in the fridge. Smaller. And down right here. The other one, let me go move this one a little bit more down, right about here. The other one says made with Blender, and that's why I have the Blender logo right there. So has 2 meaning. Made with Blender, so Blender, shaking, mixing 2 ingredients, and the Blender software. So made with Blender right there, goes up right here and scales up. And let's go make the Blender logo maybe right in the middle somewhere. Made with Blender, and that's that. Maybe let's go put this one, the warning, right in the middle, right? Front. So let's go 0x. 0.5, right in the middle. All right, now the writing. Maybe before that, make this 2 text also a little bit smaller, right about here, and the logo a little bit bigger. All right, good. Now the writing. So keep pushing this 2 up. writing here, letters. So let's go from S right here to strawberry, completed right there. Grab, that's a sequence. Goes here. And I'm gonna extend it. Gonna keep freezing the frame from here. All right. And let's go smaller. And let's go higher. And maybe even a little bit of rotation right there. Next, from M to milkshake. Same deal. Let's go start from here. So we have a little bit of right on. What's the size? 0.28. And it goes up here, rotates in 10 degree. So 10 degree. And it's writing right here. So it all comes together. Let me save this project and see what we made so far. Obviously, this sequence, the wave, needs to be a little bit faster. And it would be nice to let's see this one. Let's fade this one in. Doesn't matter this warning, but that wasn't the warning. So the warning is faded in there, but a fresh strawberry milkshake. Let's go, maybe goes fade in first, then made with Blender. Let's go a couple of frames right there, fade in, and then logo after that. Let's see. All right, not bad. Except for this two. Let's go maybe start after Blender logo. Strawberry milkshake. So let's do something about this wave thingy. So either go to the stripe and in the, let's see, where is the timing? Show timing key, all right, and close them together like so to make them go faster. Or grab it, go to strip and retiming, add effect strip, and let's go speed control. It's gonna add another strip on top. grab it, and let's go multiply and go maybe 2 times faster. And as you see, stopping right about here. All right. So with this one, we have to move the key to push this one a little bit sooner. So I'm not gonna use this. The time key or retime key was a little bit nicer. So we grab, maybe push it right there. Did I lost my keys? Seems that way. So doesn't matter. Goes right here, right before everything reveal. Grab these 2 keys and push them right here. Maybe here. All right, not bad. So we're gonna start from here then. So grab everything and push them right at the start. Let's check it out. With a little bit of sound effect, and so it's gonna be perfect. So let me go ahead and everything at the same place. Change this to black again. This is not a problem. You can actually get rid of this. Let me see if I don't include this too. Yeah, let's do this 2 stripes in the edit. So I'm gonna delete them. So ignore this too. All right, and keep this line, the safe area right there. So to export this, simply check everything, 24 frame per second. Let's go ahead and here, let's go, no caps lock. Let's go label and PNG and also the resolution right there. Save the project and let's go render sequence, render animation. It's gonna render everything, and I'll be back with the with making the actual label wrapped around the bottle, then the final sequence or final scene. See you around.